Hello everyone, welcome back to CloudOps Craft. Today we are going to discuss about Linux cron job, okay? How to automate tasks and scheduling. So why we have to automate? For example, imagine you are brush your teeth every morning at 7 a.m. You do the same thing daily without. So computers also do repetitive things like taking backups, clean old files, check system health, and send reports. Instead of you remembering and typing commands every day, you will tell the computer once and it remember forever. That's called automation. So, for example, you wrote some script. Okay? If you run that script manually, it will create a backup file, but you could still have to remember to run it every day, right? Which is boring. So so what you can do, how you can automate that process? Every day, you no need to run. It should run automatically. In what we can, for that only we can use cron. Let cron run it automatically. This is where cron comes in. Think of cron as your alarm clock. Okay? You set the time once, it rings automatically at the every day. In Linux, cron wakes up your script and runs it. Okay? So how cron works? To tell cron what to run and when, you have to use cron tab file. Okay? So in Linux, you just you just use cron tab hyphen e. Okay, if you are running for the first time, it will ask which editor you are going. I'm just going with VI. It will open. So here you can provide a cron job with your script link. How you can provide is I will explain that cron job syntax also. Okay, how you can do is, for example, every day at 2 a.m. you want to run this script. Then what you can provide 0 2 star star. I will explain okay how to write this expression and the syntax of it, and you can provide the path. You can provide the path your backup it. For example, consider backup.sh or backup.py. So every day at 2 a.m. At hour 2 it will run. So it will run every 2 days. Every day at 2 a.m. it will run. So perfect for backup job. Okay, when nobody's working. 2 a.m. Okay. So let me explain how to write cron. So there is a format is there. That format is minute, hour, day of month, day of week. In our case, we provided 0 2 star star star, right? Which means it is a zero at minute is 0, hour is 2 a.m. Okay, and day of month, which is every day of the month I have provided as star, and a month also I have provided as every month also I have given a star, and day of week also I have given star. So this means it will run at every 2 a.m. every day. Other cron expression, for example, you need to run uh, every 15 minutes one. Then how you can do it? Any idea? Every 15 minutes one. Then how you can do it? You can provide star slash 15 star star and path of that script. It will run every 15. For example, you have to run every Sunday at midnight. Then you can provide a 0 0 star star 0. And you don't need to remember this format. Okay, there are so many websites available in the market. Okay, you can just type in your browser cron job. You will get so many. You can schedule your cron expression there. Okay. For example, you want to run when system restarts, then you can use at reboot. You can provide the path. Why cron sometimes fails? The common mistakes is wrong path. Cron does not know your full path. Okay. Always while you are using path, provide the full path. And you whenever you write a script, use logs also. If there is no logs, if script fails, you don't know why. So how you can write one expression is, you can write like this, like you written already, right? But include a log path also. So, and consider path is home, Ubuntu, backup.sh. Okay, greater than. You can store your logs under where log backup dot log. You can provide. So what it will do? It will log your data. Okay. Is if yesterday backup is still running at 2 a.m. that you can fix using log. You can do log with the help of user bin flog, like that you can log this if it is already running. The bigger picture is automation with cron equal to zero touch operation. First, you learn to write a script, how to write a script. Next, you schedule it with cron. Result is you don't touch it again, but it's okay. It's like hiring a personal. So now you understood, right? How cron works. Without cron, you work for your computer. With cron, computer works for. This is all about cron. If you like this breakdown, subscribe to Cloud Ops. Simplify cloud and DevOps every week. Thank you.